129.9. 128.7. 126.4. 126.4. 126.4.
The other load's quieter.
Yeah, you got 126.4.
See, I'm so slow I can't even pick up on a wonderful pun. My apologies.
124.6. That's 90. Fire. 168.4. One more shot. 138.5. Ear protection.
They are subs, but
Yeah, they'll still be loud though. Find the dot.
everybody ready?
156.8. See, that's 10 dB quieter than your supersonic.
Here we go.
126.2. That's pretty good.
Well, or you can probably shoot the one in
$141.6. 140.6. Yes. 140. 141.
Clearly has some sort of grease or something.
Holy shit.
Yes.
Yeah, that was way different. In fact, I didn't even get a reading.
Okay.
All right, go
Yes,
on.
I was just noticing that.
Still ain't getting rid of this. 126.9 now. 128. 128.5. Peg the meter. 131. 132. 131.5. 134.3. 136.8. Loud. Take the meter.
For how significant it looks on the inside, I think that's more.
Okay, 128.5. 128.9. 129.3. 130. 129.8. 128.2. 129.3, 128.8, 128.8, 130.2, 1. Where are you at? You want to get forward? Hold on, that last room was 129.8, 128.2. Got a big first round pop. 129.2.
Nothing like a PGA.
130, or excuse me, 125. 125.4. 125.5. 127.2. There you go. Quieter. 117.7. 116.5. 117.2. 117.4. You're out.
What can is this? Trinity. Sometimes it depends on what it is. It came from over there, that's what we were
Right there. 127.123.
This is stuff super fun.
124.4.
I'm just seeing the difference.
So your friend, your other, the little can is considered a better sound.
Yeah, see, that's where the
Yeah, I know. And that's the thing. Well, there's a hole too big.
Yeah. You ready?
Shoot it. 116.6. 116.2.
myself the same.
117.2. 117.1. 116.4. That was damn quiet.
Damn quiet. Yeah, what was the
138. 136.6. 138.7. 137.8. 136.2. 138.3. 136.2. 140.5. 138. I didn't get a reading. Shoot again. 138.5. 138 or 137.7. 137.7. 137.1. 138.1. Move forward. That was last one was 137.6. 137.8. 136.4. That is over 140. 140.1. All right. Your last two are getting loud. 140.9. You're over 140. Keep shooting. 142.6. 144.
Thanks.
140.1.
Is that a newer model?
157.9. Ready? Sir. 134.
Yeah.
133.
I understand why it was an action.
That's not bad.
See you later.
All right. 141.9. A little bit forward. Right there. 137. 136.8.
Same basic concept, monolithic.
133.4. 135.
If I were still working as a scientist,
135.6.
Mark 23.
That's 120.6. 121.9. 123.9. 124.2. 122.2. 27.8.
You'll think that it's loud.
127.3. Let's take the meter. 131. 128.5. 129.4. 129.1. 130.3. 128.6. 130.4. 131.